are you waiting for? So love me like you do, la la, love me like you do.
Here I'm taking white bread and salty peanut butter, a spoonful peanut butter, spread it evenly. Now place the banana slices over it and another bread slice on top. Apply butter on the heated pan. Cook the sandwich from both the sides. A peanut butter and banana sandwich is ready. I prefer pomegranate juice with this sandwich. Enjoy this ideal breakfast.